precisely counted. Each drop cleanly filled. Soft gels formed to healthcare-grade standards. Labels applied with accuracy and compliance. CVC Technologies Group delivers quality, value, service, innovation, and support. Because every system we build is ready for today and built for tomorrow. Reliable solutions for tablets and capsules. From start to finish, every part of the process is built for smooth operation and total control. Each system works together to keep things clean, efficient, and fully compliant. Delivering a complete solution that grows with your business. Liquid packaging is all about balance, clean, and under control. With CVC, every bottle is filled just right and sealed tight, so you can count on dependable results every time. Powder packaging requires accuracy and care. Our system handles each fill with confidence, keeping things neat, uniform, and always on spec. Reliable, simple, and built to perform. Soft gel production demands more than accuracy. It takes timing, control, and the right technology. From forming to drying, CVC and Changsung provide dependable systems. Designed for high-volume, pharma-grade manufacturing. Labels are applied with full coverage and perfect fit. Front and back details stay aligned and consistent, and extra content goes exactly where it belongs. Everything clear, compliant, and ready for the shelf. Trusted worldwide. Customized for your needs.